How does one make sure their lemonade isn't too sour or too sweet? Lemonade is a classic drink that's perfect for hot summer days. However, getting the right balance of sweet and sour can be a challenge. Too much sugar and the lemonade can be cloyingly sweet, while too much lemon juice can make it overly sour. Here are some tips on how to make sure your lemonade isn't too sour or too sweet. Choose the right lemons. The quality of the lemons you use can significantly affect the taste of your lemonade. Choose fresh, ripe lemons with thin skins, as they tend to be juicier and less bitter. Meyer lemons are a good option as they have a sweeter taste than regular lemons. Adjust the sugar to lemon ratio. The key to getting the right balance of sweet and sour is to adjust the sugar to lemon ratio. Start by adding equal parts of sugar and lemon juice, then gradually adjust to your taste. If you prefer sweeter lemonade, add more sugar, and if you prefer sour lemonade, add more lemon juice. Use simple syrup. Using simple syrup instead of granulated sugar can help ensure the sweetness is evenly distributed throughout the lemonade. To make simple syrup, dissolve equal parts of sugar and water in a saucepan over medium heat. Let it cool before adding it to the lemon juice. Add water gradually. Adding too much water at once can dilute the lemonade and make it taste watery. Add water gradually and taste as you go until you reach the desired level of sweetness and sourness. Use cold water. Using cold water when making lemonade can help balance the flavors. Hot water can make the lemon juice taste bitter and overpower the sweetness. Use ice cubes made of lemonade. Using regular ice cubes can dilute the lemonade and make it taste weaker. To prevent this, make ice cubes using some of the lemonade. This will help keep the lemonade cool without watering it down. Experiment with different sweeteners. If you want to make your lemonade healthier or more unique, consider experimenting with different sweeteners. Honey, agave nectar, and maple syrup are all good options. Keep in mind that these sweeteners have different flavors and sweetness levels, so you may need to adjust the amount accordingly. Chill the lemonade properly. Properly chilling the lemonade can also affect its taste. Chill the lemonade for at least an hour before serving, or overnight for the best results. If you're in a rush, you can also chill it in the freezer for 30 minutes before serving. In conclusion, making lemonade that isn't too sour or too sweet requires a bit of trial and error. Choose the right lemons, adjust the sugar to lemon ratio, use simple syrup, add water gradually, use cold water, use ice cubes made of lemonade, experiment with different sweeteners and chill the lemonade properly. With these tips, you'll be able to enjoy a perfectly balanced glass of lemonade every time.